with a new topic that is related to fraction. Now, there is a question from NCERT, but before that, I want to explain the difference between rational number and fraction. Now, what is rational number and what is fraction? Rational number, fraction not equal to rational number. These two things are totally different. Now, rational number is what? Rational number is a part of a real number. A real number consists of two things. One rational number and other irrational number. Here we are dealing with rational number, the part of real number. Now, fraction and rational number. Now, both can be represented in the form A by B, where B is not equal to 0. Here also the same thing, A by B, where B is not equal to 0. That means denominator in both the cases cannot be 0. Now, it is a rational number, both are rational number, both are fraction. Now, fraction, numerator, in case of fraction, numerator should be whole number. Numerator should be whole number. In case of rational number, numerator should be an integer. That means negative numbers 0 and पॉजिटिव. इंटीजर का मीन्स यही होता है, निगेटिव नंबर्स, ज़ीरो एंड पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. और होल नंबर का मीनिंग होता है ज़ीरो एंड नेचुरल नंबर और नेचुरल नंबर. निगेटिव और ज़ीरो और पॉजिटिव. ज़ीरो और नेचुरल नंबर. Natural number. Now, in case of B, fraction, denominator, in case of fraction, denominator should be a whole number except 0. D should be an integer except 0. This is the format. Now, here in this case, fraction cannot be a similarity. सिमिलरिटी और ये है डिफरेंस। डिफरेंस। Now, a by b in case of fraction cannot be 0. Fraction cannot be 0. Cannot be negative, sorry. Cannot be negative. But in case of rational number, can be negative. Can be negative. This is the फ्रैक्शन एंड रैशनल नंबर का हिसाब किताब। दैट मीन्स एग्जाम्पल है 1/4, 3/5, 7/9 are all fraction. Here in this case, -3/2, 2/-3, 0/3, here also 0/3, 3, and 2/3 or 5/7, 5/7. Here it is पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, निगेटिव भी हो सकता है, और यहाँ पे ऑल शुड बी पॉजिटिव. दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रैशनल नंबर एंड हियर दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. Now I hope it is clear to you. Now I am coming to solve this problem. Now this question I have taken from NCERT exercise 2.6 question number 7. The denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator. Let the numerator be x. Direct. Let the numerator be x and denominator greater than numerator by 8. That means x plus 8 होगा. ये है numerator, ये denominator. यहाँ तक clear है. If the numerator is increased by 17, यहाँ पे 17, and the denominator is decreased by 1, ये decreased by 1, -1, the number obtained is 3/2. This is as per question. Now by cross multiplication we get x plus 17, यहाँ पे x plus 7 equal to 3/2. 3x plus 21 equal to 2x plus 34. 3x minus 2x equal to 34 minus 21. X equal to 3, 1, 13. That means अब यहाँ पे find the rational number. The required rational number is, यहाँ पे x है 13 और यहाँ पे है 13 plus 8. That means 13/21. This is the answer. This is the second question. The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. Numerator x minus 4, which is 4 less than the denominator. Now, if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, that means plus 1 plus 1, it becomes half. X minus 3 x plus 1 equal to half. 2x minus 6 equal to x plus 1. 2x minus x equal to 1 plus 6, 7. X equal to 7. Find the fraction. The required fraction is x minus 4, that means 7 minus 4 divided by 7, that means 3 by 7, which is the required answer. Come to the third question. This is the third question. The numerator of a fraction is 6 less than the denominator. Okay, x minus 6 divided by x. Then now if 3 is added to the numerator, next plus 3 is added to the numerator, the fraction will become 2 by 3. 6 minus 3 divided by x equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 3x minus 9 equal to 2x. 3x minus 2x equal to 9. X equal to 9. What is the original fraction? The required original fraction is 9 minus 6, that means 3 divided by 9 equal to 1 by 3. 9 minus 6, that is 3, or x equal to 9, 1 by 3. This is the original answer, original fraction. This is the fourth question. The numerator of a rational number is 3 less than the denominator. Just like previous one, x minus 3 divided by x. If the denominator is increased by 5 plus 5 and the numerator by 2, will be half. Now here we get x minus 1 x plus 5 equal to half. 2x minus 2 equal to x plus 5. 2x minus x equal to 5 plus 2, x equal to 7. Find the rational number. The required rational number is 7 minus 3, that means 4 divided by 7. This is the answer of this question. This is the fifth question. The denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator by 3. That means x plus 3. The denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator by 3. यहाँ तक complete हो गया. If 3 is subtracted from the numerator, that means 3 is subtracted from the numerator and 2 is added denominator, it becomes 1 by 5. Now यहाँ पे x minus 3 और x plus 5 equal to 1 by 5. By cross multiplication, 5x minus 15 equal to x plus 5. 5x minus x equal to 5 plus 15. 24x. X equal to 20 by 4 equal to 5. Find the original number. The original number is x, that means 5 divided by 5 plus 3, 8. 5 by 8. This is the solution. These are very easy questions. This is the 6th question. The numerator of a rational number is less than its denominator by 3. Numerator of a rational number is less than it. That means x plus 3. If the numerator of a rational number is less than its denominator, no, x minus 3. Numerator of a rational number is less than the denominator by 3. If the numerator becomes 3 times, now numerator becomes 3 times and the denominator is increased by 20, it becomes 1 by 8. Here 3x minus 9 divided by x plus 20 equal to 1 by 8. 24x minus 72 equal to x plus 20. 24x minus x equal to 20 plus 72. 92. 23. X equal to 92 divided by 23. 23. No, 4x. Now find the original number. Now 4. X equal to 4. Therefore, the original number is x minus 3, that means 4 minus 3, 1, and x, that is 4, 1 by 4. This is the solution of the 6th question. Now I will be coming back with another new topic, that is on speed. ये NCERT बुक में इस तरह क्वेश्चन नहीं है स्पीड के ऊपर, बट इन क्लास 8 स्टैंडर्ड अलग अलग बुक में इस टाइप का क्वेश्चंस दे रखे हैं. तो यू शुड नो इट. डोंट गिव अप द हैबिट ऑफ लर्निंग. दैट इज़ वाई आई विल coming back with speed. Okay, till then, enjoy.